Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NETS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here watching or representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what they would normally represent when you watch them, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days. It's actually just today's price action, Thursday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance as we go forward. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up here above $2.72. That was the bottom portion of this little consolidation range right here. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that area, by no means am I saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. In the event the price does not hold above that, the next key level of support would be down here at the bottom portion of that, opening 30 minutes, which is there at 260. And then from the big picture, it's not relevant right now, but it'll become relevant as far as levels of support is concerned, is the purple line right here. Like I said, it's way down there, but that is a 50-period simple moving average. So as the name implies, that line will move itself higher and higher and get more and more relevant. However, as of right now, keep an eye on these two levels of support. Those are definitely the more near-term levels. What about levels of resistance going forward? In terms of where the sellers are at, main level is going to be right there. It looks like that's where the price got rejected from twice. High of 283. What was the last high there? 283. Yeah, so literally on two separate occasions, 283 knocked down the price. So that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, really at this point in time, resistance levels matter, but they don't matter because in my opinion, the top thing that matters the most is just now starting to go through healthy consolidations and chip away and build higher bases, because as long as higher bases begin to be built over those extended periods of time, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on chipping away and building higher bases and sit back and let the overall trend start to build upon itself. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.